Kumusta? One more thing, I block people that ignores me. That's why I don't have to see them on YT anymore. No, don't block. Ano? Kate? Kate? Farah Jam. Thank you. How are you, my friend? You're number one friend in YT. Thank you. Hi, Kuya Rom. Enjoying happy, my love. Okay. I'm happy because you're here. I enjoy my life because you're here, my love. Rahat. How are you, Mital? Kaya nga, kausapin mo rin, Maring. Kuya Rom, Miguel shout out. Magandang gabi, Kuya Rom. Wala na bang bagyo dyan, Kuya Rom? Faraja, how are you, my friend? Kausapin mo, Maring. Kausapin mo kasi. Tumila na ang ulan. May bagyo pa naman, darating na naman ulit. Parang 3 bagyo ata. Kausap ko nga siya eh. Kate! May walis ako pang palo dito, Kate. Onyx, I'm sorry, but it upset me and annoys me when people ignore me. Because they don't like me because I'm too nice. It's so unfair to me. Oh, guys. Don't look. Guys, please guys. Hi to my my friend Kate. Usapin mo kasi, Maring. Pupunta pa naman dyan sa Ron, I'm okay but still dealing with the flu. Nga, may lagnat nga siya. Si Kate. Rahat, stay with me ha. Don't let go. Stay with my heart. Stay with me, my friend. Sis Raquel, magandang shoutout sis Raquel. It's okay, just one person, they ignore me every time on here. Who? Who, Who, stay with me, don't let go. Sir Jess. Sir Jess. Stay with me, don't let go. Hello, wow. Hello, Sis Raquel. Maraming salamat, Sis Raquel. Sis Raquel, maraming talagang salamat, sis. Paano ba magpa-member ng Hindi ko alam talaga. Salamat talaga, sis Raquel, sa pagpa-member ulit, sis Raquel. Sir Gis, ano naman to ni Sir Gis? Daya naman to ni Sir Gis, oh. Sir Gis, ano naman to ni Sir Gis? Daya naman to ni Sir Gis, oh. Hello, MG the Prince. Let's go singing a song, my annex. Raquel, may shoutout, my very guapa friend. Sis Raquel, maraming salamat, Sis Raquel.